Pretty productive morning. Slept in. Thought I would. I was heading to Denny to have a fish in the Edwards. Haven't fished it for ages now. So I was heading to Denny. Slept in. As I was driving along the road towards Denny, the sun was already breaking over the trees. I thought I'll take a quick detour in before Mathera and do a bit of lure chucking. Just drifted back with the current, lecky going forward, boat going backwards, and just sort of casted every snag and managed to jag a 98 centimetre, which I was bloody happy about. I was probably only been on the water for, I don't know, 15 minutes, so that was good.
Here's a good chunk of fish, Lucy. He's a good 90. He's a good 90. Maybe not. Maybe he's an 80. Come here, fella. Let's get in the net, fella. Let's get in the fucking net. Rightio. He's not bad. Calm yourself down, big fella. He's not a bad fish. Got no idea what length he is on the Coolabung Wake Walker. As you can see, 4 jointed. Now the wind's blowing fierce from the east, and I just said, change the saying. Instead of wind from the east, the fish bite least, the new saying is, wind from the east, you catch a big beast. Yeah, now, he is going to go close, but he's not quite going to be a metery. I don't care. He's a fucking cracker. What we're going to do is de-hook him. Oh, he didn't like that. Rightio, that's that lure out. Going back in the water for a minute. Big gob on him. Who's he going to splash? Venom does it again. .98 centimetres on the 4 jointed Coolabung Wake Walker, 2-piece Venom swimboat rod, vintage Shimano reel, wind fiercely from the east. And what do they say? Wind from the east. Lucy nearly fell in the river. Wind from the east, you catch a big beast. Righty, I'll see if I can get another one. Then I've cast, I don't know, another 4 or 5 bends downstream for nothing. And I thought I'd just trawl back now. It's a good looking spot, that. I put a heap of surface casts in there today. It was too good not to.
Yeah.
I didn't get a hit, but they'd be laying there.
Didn't get it?
Nah. But that was only surface.
Yeah, right.
They'd be laying there somewhere.
Yeah, I reckon.
There.
What do you usually throw, surface and swim baits now, yeah?
Oh, I still throw stumpies and all that sort of thing, like
Yep.
spinner baits. I throw everything.
Yep.
Basically,
whatever's going to catch me a fish. Yeah, I'll take them any way they come. I'm up in the Narrows. The water up here is roaring. I don't know if I floated with it, it's probably doing 4 k's an hour, this water, 5 k's an hour. I'm trawling against it. I'm doing 1.3 k's an hour, and I've got me stump jumper about a metre off the bottom. It's only 9 foot deep, so what's that, 2.7, nearly 3 metres, so my lure's only about 2 metres under the water, but it's a metre off the bottom, right where it needs to be. Anyway, I'll stitch a quick video together, and I'm pretty happy with how my season's going so far. It's only my 2nd trip out, so I'm doing all right. So season's going good. Anyway, till next time.